You're probably wondering if Robinhood is actually good for crypto, or if it's just pretty packaging with nothing inside. Well, I've been using it for months, and the answer might surprise you. Stick around because this gets interesting. So, Robinhood Crypto is basically crypto trading for people who don't want their brain to explode. It's super simple. You can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos with zero fees. Yeah, zero fees. You can start with just $1, which is perfect if you want to dip your toes in without going broke. It's like crypto training wheels, but actually good training wheels. First off, those zero trading fees are legit. While other apps are nickel and diming you, Robinhood lets you trade for free. I've saved probably hundreds in fees by now. The interface is stupid simple too. My mom could figure this out, and she still calls me to help with her email. You literally just tap buy, enter an amount, and boom, you own crypto. Plus, they finally added crypto wallets, so you actually own your coins now instead of just IOUs. That was a huge missing piece before. But the biggest problem? You can't swap crypto directly. Want to trade your Bitcoin for Ethereum? You have to sell Bitcoin for dollars first, then buy Ethereum. It's like having to break a $20 bill every time you want to buy something that costs $10. Also, if you're looking for weird altcoins or want to do advanced crypto stuff, you're out of luck. Robinhood keeps it basic. My honest take, Robinhood Crypto is perfect for beginners who want to buy some Bitcoin without feeling overwhelmed. It's clean, simple, and won't confuse you with a million buttons and charts. But if you're serious about crypto trading or want access to every coin under the sun, you'll probably outgrow this pretty quickly. Bottom line, for crypto beginners, Robinhood is actually solid. Zero fees, simple interface, and you can start small. Just know it's crypto with training wheels, which isn't necessarily bad. If you're just getting started with crypto and want something that won't make your head spin, give it a shot. You can always upgrade to more advanced platforms later. Hit that like button if this helped, and let me know what crypto app you want me to review next.